Yo, let's go for another video on Origin Protocol, OGN, using Ichimoku Cloud. This video is only a 3-minute video, so bear with me. I didn't look into it today yet. I just did it now, and that's why I'm making this video, because it's interesting. Well, we can see it's a massive forming doji candle. When you see this, it means there's nothing happening. It's super flat. However, you can see that we went with the head of the candle. We touch take profit 1, which was already touched yesterday, so it doesn't really matter, but the number 2, the take profit 2 has been reached, and almost the take profit 3. So you see, we were not too far. So what does it mean to see today a doji candle? Should you worry? Should you start to FOMO? Nothing. It's okay, guys. It's a doji candle. It means it's the same as yesterday so far. Exactly what happened yesterday is happening today. So you don't have to worry about it. This long head will mean that not everybody could take profit on TP2. I guess not enough volume here, but it's still interesting that we went up to there. This is giving us a preview of what will happen soon. All right, maybe today, end of the day, or maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. So what do we see here? We can see again, we have our Kijun that is creating a support. All right, it's keeping our price above. That's very good news. It has been happening already twice this week, so you can expect it a third time or never again, and going straight up on a run. TP2, take profit 2, take profit 3, maybe even the take profit 4 the next time. So you should watch out on these kind of things, because it's all it means at the moment. So some people can stress about it. There's no stress to have. There's no stress. You see this lagging here also will go and hurt our resistance here. But on the bottom, on the contrary, if it keeps going down, we see that we have a first resistance here at 0.98, which is almost our Kijun. So that's where we know we fly in between. Okay. So for those who like to take risk, I would say maybe you guys go make a long order starting from about 0.98 and then long up to the TP1 if you don't want to take risk, or TP3 if you want a bit of risk, or TP3 if you want to make proper profits and take risk. But otherwise, you see that you can fly in between all these TP3, 2, and etc. and make always some money. So you can make little risk, big reward depending how you trade. I don't know if you're doing futures, options, X5 or more, but you can make money here. Clearly, this token is not going to stop going bullish for a while. Okay, we got a pullback, but I think we're seeing the hand now, because you see we've been with this candle, this doji candle. Anyway, we are above previous candles, the previous 2 candles, so the last 2 days. Okay, not yet of the beginning of the week, like these 2 candles, but very close to it. So you can expect something to go. And as we know, when we touch this Kijun, something happens. Something must happen. So today people are deciding. Maybe it's because of Bitcoin now. People are waiting for the bankers to make their decisions, because there is some talks going on in US now. So maybe that's what it is. But watch out, there is money to do. Guys, I see you later on another video. You take care. It has been more than 3 minutes. I'm sorry. But you take care. Leave me a comment if you want, and maybe there is some other token you want me to look into it. So ask me. See you. Bye-bye.